The most overlooked benefit to owning rental properties is tax benefits. I know it's super boring. You're probably not going to bed reading about tax benefits every single night. I'm sure you'd much rather dream about the passive cash flow that you're going to generate. But in the long run, if you look at these tax benefits, it's going to save you tens of thousands of dollars every single year, which equates to $1,000+ per month in tax savings. Make sure you tune in so you can find out exactly how you can save on taxes. I'm Andrew Lewis, real estate investor and entrepreneur with over 10 years experience building and growing a real estate team and investing in real estate. Before we jump into today's video, make sure you hit that like button, leave us a comment about any questions you might have, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I'm here to help you break out of the 9-to-5, gain financial freedom, and grow wealth through real estate. Let's check it out. The secret of the wealthy on how they pay almost no taxes on making millions of dollars every single year is they play the game of the tax code. Tax benefits are laid out so that you would invest your money where the government wants you to, and that gives you benefits. So when it comes to real estate, the government wants you to create affordable housing. When you purchase a home and put it up for a rental, you've now created affordable housing for the United States, and you now get rewarded for that through tax benefits. This is not cheating the system. It's literally playing the game the government wants you to play. They want you to create affordable housing, put money into renewable energies, and they will reward you for it. Let's dive into 4 of the best tax saving advantages that you will get from owning investment properties. Benefit number 1 is depreciation. You've probably heard this one before, but have no idea how it works. Well, here is the generic breakdown for you. You can depreciate the value of a property over 27.5 years. You don't have to do the math, leave that to a tax professional, but over 27.5 years, they're gonna take the value of that property. So let's say you had a $450,000 property, you get a depreciation savings on that one property of $16,200. That comes off of any of your taxable income and saves you thousands of dollars. Now take that and multiply that out by however many properties you have. If you own 10 properties, you could save yourself from taxes on $160,000 per year. That's how you can end up paying 0 in taxes on a really great income. Tax benefit number 2, you get to deduct the payments you've made on interest on any of the properties that you own. So we all know that when you purchase a property, you are paying heavy interest during the first several years. And as that schedule moves on for the next 30 years, it becomes a little bit less and less. So those first few years are absolutely crucial that you take deductions on the interest that you've paid, because that also can shield you from thousands of dollars in taxes. Tax benefit number 3, don't forget about those property taxes. In certain areas, those taxes can be significant. Some states that have no state income tax, they get you back on the property taxes, but now you get to write those taxes off. So use those property taxes, take those to your accountant and let them take that off of your taxes for the year. Again, going to save you thousands of dollars per year in your tax payments. Tax benefit number 4, and probably my favorite but least known, is called cost segregation. This one takes a little bit more work on your part and does cost some money up front, but will save you the most out of any of these tax benefits. Cost segregation allows you to do a study on the property to find the fixtures of the home and depreciate those at a faster schedule. I told you on depreciation standard, you can take 27.5 years to make that happen. So it's a slower pace of depreciation. On cost segregation, you actually get to take things that will wear out, like carpet and cabinets and light fixtures and certain fixtures of the home, cabinetry, all of those things, and depreciate them on a 5-year schedule, which now means if you were to do a cost segregation study on your purchase and they found $100,000 worth of those fixtures, again, we're talking carpet and plumbing and electrical and all sorts of fixtures to the home, it's not uncommon to find about $100,000 there. You can depreciate that over 5 years, meaning every single year you could shield yourself from $20,000 worth of taxable income. A cost segregation study could cost you $500 to $1,000 to make that happen because it does need to be done by an engineer, but it is well worth it over the next 5 years to save $20,000 or $100,000 over the life of that depreciation schedule. So definitely check it out. Consult with your tax preparer so that they can point you in the right direction. All right, all of these tax benefits add up to be one total amazing tax benefit for you with each rental property. Everybody loves to look at cash flow. How much cash flow am I gonna be making? I'm gonna make $800 a month on this property. The reality is you can be saving way more than $800 a month just in tax benefits alone. When you add in depreciation, mortgage interest, property taxes, and cost segregation, you could be shielding yourself from $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 per rental property worth of income. Now take that and own 30 rental properties, and I've shared in other videos how you can accumulate 30 rental properties very, very quickly. Now you could make $1 million+ and pay zero in taxes at the end of the year. You did not cheat the system. You simply created affordable housing and used the tax system to make sure that you were being rewarded for putting your money where the government wanted you to do it. Let me end this video by saying this is not tax advice. You absolutely need to consult with a tax professional on these things, but hopefully this gives you some ideas that you can bring to them. They can explain the ins and outs and the legalities of each one. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Be sure you hit that like button if you did. Leave us a comment about any questions about this video. And as always, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I'm here to help you break out of the 9 to 5, gain financial freedom, and grow wealth through real estate. We'll see you next time.